Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you some of the most useful use cases of SN Utils and some nice shortcuts to do. So all creds goes to the creator, that is Arnold Koi. He's an amazing guy. So let me first show you how you can install it. So just let me drag this a little bit down for you guys. So you can go into Chrome extension. So let's go to it right here. We can search for SN Utils and we can install it right here. I've already done so. So once that is installed, just go back and make a refresh. And then we can go into the extension right here and go to settings. And you can enable this instant tag. That is quite cool. And that is this one right here. So you can put it on, call it whatever. So you know which instance you are working in, and you can have another color, for example, and many cool stuff. So let's go back into the settings and scroll all the way down to shortcuts. So I click this, and then we go into the shortcuts here. In Norwegian, it's Hurtigtaster. Click on this one, and then we have SN Utils right here. So what I really recommend is to create a shortcut to open it. I really like Control Q. And also I really like a shortcut also to show technical names. So technical names can be done or configured or toggled on and off quite easily with many different ways using SN Utils. But I really like a shortcut for it to quickly toggle it on and off. So when that is done, let's exit this one and go back in, make a refresh. I also gotta drag this out for you guys. And like this. So let's do something. Let me just zoom in. So we can get this now by Control Q, which I just set up. And there we got it. So you're probably familiar that you can do incident.list to go directly into the list view of incident or whatever table. With SN Utils, we can simply type in the name. So for example, inc, and then I can tab. So we have incident, and now I can press enter or control enter to go directly into a list view. So when I control enter, I open it in a new tab. So here you can see I'm into the incidents table and in the list view. So this is very nice. We can also combine this with something else. So if I do incident, and here you can see we have different switches there, which is really nice. For example, -n for new record, open random record and stuff. So for example, I can do -a to open active incidents. So if I can do this now, you can see I've opened the incidents table and active is true. So we can build in different queries already. So this is super nice to, instead of loading the whole page and then do a query, we can do it directly. So, oh, this was a bit too much. So let's try something else. We can do incident active, and we combine this with something else. So we can do, for example, -r for a random incident. So now we can open an incident that is active and is random. So this is a quick way to navigate to a random incident that is active. Super useful. Another cool thing is to, we have a SUSE-user for the user table. A shortcut to this, just press U. So U for users. And then I can search for something, for example, admin. So now I'm searching the user table, SUSE-user, and you can see user ID or name contains admin. So that's very nice to quickly query the SUSE-user table. And a similar thing is to use P for system property. And here's the same thing. You can do P, for example, glide. And then we search for the system property table where name contains glide. Super useful. So let's go into one of these, for example. And you're probably familiar with that. If you want to go into this record, for example, you can click on this I and then click open record. With SN Utils, we can simply double click this one to go directly in here. Let's go into a random incident again. Another cool thing is, this is So we can right click here, right, and we can show XML if you want to show the XML of this record. A little bit more prettier thing is to use SN Utils, because we have this question mark here. If we shift click on this one, we get here. So this is the same thing as show XML, but this is a bit more pretty. And we can search here for something. So for example, I can do state. And here you can see the state is a choice field. And I can click on this link right here. And then I can see more information about the state field. So we have all the different labels here with the value, backend value, and more information about the field. So this is super cool to quickly and to show, get some more information here. And we can also do SN Utils to, for example, open the technical names right here, and we can see the different stuff. We're new, and then we have backend name. Very nice. So toggle this on off is very helpful, I think. Nice. Let's do something else. So again, we have incident, and we can do -n to create a new one. So this is really nice. And we can also combine this with something else. For example, if you want to create a new business rule, we can do BR for business rule, and then we can create a new one. Very nice. We also have CS for client script. Also very nice to create a new client script or whatever. So you type in a table name or a shortcut, and then you can create a new one. So let me show you something other cool stuff. We have, for example, code. This is very nice to quickly search the whole instance for a specific a name. For example, if I do assign to, I'm searching the whole table for, the whole instance for this keyword, assign to. So it's searching all the different inbound actions, script, UI scripts, client scripts. Script includes everything, and this keyword was a bit used a lot, so we have 1,531 different hits. If I click on this business rule, for example, I can see the different business rules that contain this name assigned to, and if I want to look at this one, I can just simply click on it and get directly into the business rule. Let me drag this a bit out for you guys. So again, very, very nice. Let me look at something else. So let's do incident, and let's look at all the active ones again. Let's say we have another filter here. Let's do all critical, show matching. So now we have a filter with two different query parameters. If you want to, for example, change all the states here to something, or delete all these records, or for example, we can do bg, and here we have background script, we have background script with current, we also have background script with list gr. So this is very nice to open, or we already get this built-in query that is already made for us. So it's already querying the incident table with active is true and priority is 1. And now we can simply run this to look at the incident numbers, and here we can delete them or change the category or whatever we want. So a nice way to quickly get this. And let me show you some other stuff. Let's do task SLA, for example, to look at that table. So what we don't have in this table is we don't see the assigned to, for example. We don't see the person assigned to this task. If you want to see that, we can actually go to personalized list, and we can toggle on the technical names. So in my case is Alt Q. And then when we see, we get this add diff dot walk field. So we can click and in task, and then we can dot walk further down. So I can do task dot assigned to, and do not click OK right away. Click enter to first get it right there. Let's push it up a bit, and now click OK. And now we can see the different ones. So we are dot backing to another table, we're docking back to task, which is a reference table, and then we're dot backing to assign to. So now we get assigned to in the task SLA table, which is pretty nice. So let me see if there are any other stuff I want to show you guys. So another thing you can do that is pretty cool is that if you have a sys user or a sys ID from something, and let me just go back, we can search directly for that sys ID, and to go directly into that incident table or incident that this sys ID is. We can also, for example, if you want to go into this number, you're probably familiar with that, we can search for global. The problem with this is we can't open this in a new tab, but we can add if we search for it in SN Utils and click Control Enter, then we open that in a new tab. So again, very, very useful. I think that all the stuff I got for you today. SN Utils is a really nice tool that I really recommend you to use, and it's make things go a lot faster, and it's a lot more fun to work with ServiceNow once you have this tool. If you like this theme, this black theme I made, I've just made a video about how to make it, so check that out if you're interested. And I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.